What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another video. Hey girl. So in this video, your girl's gonna show you a few ways that you can protect or style your hair, okay? So basically we are going to be doing flat twists and how to make a flat twist look this good, okay? Don't it look good? I know. So make sure you stay tuned for the video. And I'm excited about this. I haven't done a protective style in so long on this channel, and I apologize, okay? I got your back in this one, so just stay tuned. The products that help me, okay, bring this all together on today, is African Pride. It's African Pride. They was like, Nay, we gotta show them how it's done. And I said, I got your back. So they sent me their new collection, okay? So this is African Pride's Black Castor Miracle Collection, okay? It's all about protective styling. So I know some ladies out there that's all about that life, okay? This is for you, sis, okay? So in this line, they have a lot of good key essential items that you would need to help you really have a good protective style mode. And so some things that I have, I'm just gonna grab them as I go. Some of the key ingredients that this collection has is like black castor oil. Y'all know how the black castor oil do. How about it? Got coconut oil, coconut water. Okay, I saw one of them have tea tree in it. This one has tea tree in it, don't you? Sure do. Soybean oil is in here as well. This one has shea butter, okay? Has a jojoba oil in it. So this one has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a lot, okay? So what I have right here is their Take Down Moisture and Detangling Mask. So this mask is definitely for the ladies when it's just time to take your hair down. It's just time. You know, you like, okay, it's been too long. So you can use this to help you take it down, go smooth. This right here comes into play. They also have a prep and leave-in moisture butter. So of course, depending on if you're doing braids or you're getting locks or if you're doing a crochet look, you want to use something that's going to help with moisturizing the hair and getting their hair prepped to be protected. Something like this is going to come into play. And then right after that, you go ahead and use, their hair and scalp sealing oil to lock in all of that moisture, to also moisturize that scalp. Your scalp matters. A lot of people sleep on their scalp when they're protective styling. So you need to keep your scalp nourished, okay? Okay? All right. Right here, this is your Black Castor Miracle Extra Hold Braid Lock and Twist Gel. It helps with taming frizz and smoothing edges without any stickiness. It helps you with creating, I guess, nice and defined parts when you have to do a certain look. And so you'll see how I use this product in the video. How about it? This line also has a heat protectant. So if you want to blow out your hair or get your hair prepped for maybe a sew-in, depending on what you want to do, or even for braids, it has a keratin complex in it too to make sure that it is good, okay, during the heat process. So I'll be excited for this video. Yeah, so let's get this video started. Oh, girl, let's get it. So I'm going to split this right down the middle, and then we're just going to have fun with the flat twist. So all flat twists all around. Braiding on wet hair is not my thing just yet, so we're going to baby step on that and put it away. If you're following along with your girl, We're gonna split it right down the middle. Try to make the part as clean and as even as possible. If not, it's okay. Okay, we're not perfect. 3 things I want us to focus on while protective styling is our edges, okay? So not doing a style that adds too much attention to our edges because we don't want it to thin out and we don't want to lose them. Another thing is to focus on your ends. So really making sure those ends are moisturized before we even put it into a protective style. And then the last thing that we want to focus on is our scalp. You have to keep your scalp nourished during these moments, okay? Flat twist, y'all. So this reminds me of like a edge control, honestly. It smells good too. So people may start sniffing your head. You just don't be confused. It's because of this gel right here, okay? African Pride, Black Castor Miracle, Extra Hold, Braid, Lock, and Twist Gel. So what you're going to see me do is add that gel right to the roots of my hair, you know, close to the scalp. And then I am also going to use that gel to lay down my edges ahead of time just so I can know which way I want it to go and flow, right? And then we are going to begin to flat twist. And all we're doing for this look is going straight back. You saw it at the beginning of the video, just a straight back flat twist and, you know, calling it a day. I like protective styles that are easy to do, straight to the point, not overcomplicated. And so that's what you're going to see me do here. I'll use a little bit more of the Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter towards the ends and just twist it all the way down. Do you see how good my hair looks? It looks so shiny and moisturized. It looks so good. So the Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter combined with their Extra Hold Braid Lock and Twist Gel is so nice on the hair. It looks so good. So of course our scalp matters. Remember I said that earlier. So I am going to be using their hair and scalp sealing oil, which is definitely going to help with preventing any dryness on my scalp, also helping to nourish my scalp. And then too, you know, if we deal with any itchiness, that's going to really help. So when using their Braid Lock and Twist Gel, I did notice that it does loosen up because of the water, of course, right? So that definitely helped out with making the twist look smooth, but allowing me on my side to be able to twist it without any extra hassle. Talked about edges, so I did make sure to add some of that oil to the edges, but also too towards the front of my hairline. I'm not going too close, and I'm also not twisting too tight, okay? And then I'm working all the way to the back, and that's the same thing if you're going to braid the front. Try to not go too tight when you're braiding it. If you feel like the hair is getting too tangled, stop, add some water, brush it on out as I just did, and you should be able to just finish it on out. And yeah, we're gonna go. You can do this right here. Whether I end up gathering a couple of my twists, 2-strand twisting it together like this. Okay. All right. So what you're gonna do is take this and just bring it and tuck it under that hair. Okay. So this is African Pride Black Castor Miracle Hold and Cover Edges. And so this is in the color black. It's actually black, okay? So you can use that just to fill in some spaces. Like for me, I know I don't have the thickest edges, so I just go in and just pat it in there. For a little bit more hold, I did use the Braid Lock and Twist Gel for my edges. show y'all different ways that you can wear this look. Of course, if you just want to walk outside like this, you can't. It's a thing. All right, so this is just a tan headband. I was like, ooh, it's a good color.
Baby hair edges on jam, okay?
All right, y'all, so that's one look. That was cute, wasn't it? Haha. How about it? Next look, head wrap. Y'all know how to wear it one way. So that's what we're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you a little bonus look. You can either grab some braiding hair or if you have some clip-ins that you want to use, just to create a different look. So I'm gonna do curly clip-ins on my hair just so that it can have a nice blend. But of course, depending on too your hair length, you may be able to create this style without even having to add extra hair. But for me, I have to add extra hair, okay? So like that, I'm just basically making a Bantu knot with the hair. So just wrapping it, going around, and then just tucking it if I can without having to use a rubber band, okay? Two little wannabe pony. So basically, I have clip-ins that only have just like 2 actual combs on them. So that's what I'm gonna use on my hair. Go around that ponytail I made and then just clamp them down, okay? Clamp it, okay? Like that. Ooh, that's cute in itself. Where she's going. I'm gonna take this hair, twist it, twist it, twist it. But I basically don't want you to limit your flat twist. Like, there are ways to make this look come to life a little bit more. And that's what we ended up doing by using these clip-ins. You are hiding the track, okay? We don't want that to be exposed, okay? So I just use some of that extra hair and then just bobby pin right on top of the track. Oh, it's a look. Did you like this video? I had so much fun doing this video. Of course, my flat twist is not the best right here. If anything I would probably go back and redo this one and make it 2, like I did with this one. Let me know which style you will rock down below out of all the 4 that I showed you today. I think out of the ones I did, my favorite would have to be this one. So out of the products that I've used today and showed y'all, I would say that my top would have to be from the new line, would have to be the Black Castor Miracle Hold and Cover Edges, because it's black. And so all I had to do was just dab it right on top of my own hair, and it allowed my edges to look a little bit more full. And I also like their, I don't know where the top is, it's hiding, you know what I'm saying? I like their extra hold braid lock and twist gel. This definitely helps with taming the frizz. Like, my hair looks really good from using this. Let me know down below which product you are eyeing from the whole collection. If you find this video educating, a little entertaining, let your girl know by leaving it a thumbs up. And girl, join my beautiful people crew. Woody woo. And do that, click the subscribe button. Thanks. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 She cute now.